Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today let's talk about mistakes to avoid when starting an online business. If you are just starting your content creation journey, there are mistakes that can slow your growth and you want to avoid that. So in this video, I'm going to share the most common mistakes new creators make and how you can avoid them so you can grow faster and build that online business the right way. So let's get to it.
And it goes a little something like
Hi, my name is Edna. I help people, especially stay-at-home moms, build wealth online using simple digital business strategies. And if that's something you are interested in, make sure you subscribe and join this growing community. Number one mistake to avoid is trying to be perfect. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is waiting for everything to be perfect before they start. This will only delay your journey because no one is perfect. So many people wait, saying that they need perfect lighting, perfect camera, perfect background, perfect this, perfect that. But the truth is, perfection, like I said, delay progress. People are not looking for perfection. All they want is value. They are looking for value. So you want to start with what you have and improve as you grow. Start where you are. Number two, mistakes to avoid is not being consistent. I made this mistake when I started my online business. I thought I could post whenever I'm available or whenever I feel like. No. You want to be intentional if you want to build an online business. You want to take it as you take your 9-to-5 job. You want to create time for it. Have a schedule when you post. Consistency is key if you want to build an online business, an online presence. Consistency is what builds trust and visibility. Some people will post for a few days or weeks and then stop when they don't see results. No, that's not how it goes when building an online business, because growth takes time. If you want to grow, you need to be consistent. You need to show up regularly, and you want to stay committed to your business, and you want to trust the process. Remember, these people want to trust you. They want to know you. So you have to see how you can build relationship with them. Remember, this is online. It's not a physical store, but an online store. So seeing you daily matters. Seeing you consistently matters. Seeing that you are committed to them matters. So you want to be dedicated to your business. Have a schedule. Let them know when you post. And post, create that content when it is due. Number three mistakes you want to avoid is trying to do everything at the same time at once. You want to be everywhere. No, this will only overwhelm you and you get tired, worn out, and even confused. What am I talking about? Posting on every platform is not necessary as a beginner. Trying every strategy. No. You want to, choose a platform or two at most. Choose a strategy you want to employ, because doing everything at once will lead to burnout. Instead of posting on all the platforms, you want to choose one channel. Like I started with YouTube. You want to focus on YouTube Then grow, master it before you expand to other platforms. Number 4 mistake is not providing value. People want to see value. Check it. If you are somebody who listens to people content on YouTube, there is a reason why you are listening to what you listen to. There are people you love their contents. There is a reason why you go back, why you subscribe to them, and you go back, you want to see each time they post. Same it is when you are posting out there online. People will subscribe if you are providing value. If your content is not helping, if it's not teaching, if it's not inspiring, people won't stay. They won't subscribe. Even those that subscribed before might even unsubscribe. You don't want that. So every piece of your content should answer this question. How is this helping someone? What value is this content bringing? When you focus on value, growth becomes easier. And before you know it, you'll be monetized. Number 6 mistake you want to avoid is not using the right tools. There are tools out there that can help your online business journey. Tools like Canva. So you don't have to struggle doing everything manually. So you want to check, carry out your research. Tools that you may need in your content creation. The right tools will help you save times and improve the quality of your content. One mistake to avoid is giving up too early. Some people give up too early. I was so, it so pained me, let me use that word, when a lady was telling me she stopped her content creation because she thought the subscribers wasn't coming fast as she expected. And when I asked her, for how long did you do it? And she said, a year. I said, no, that is a short time. You should have given it maybe 2 to 3 years. Then I asked her, were you consistent at it? Were you posting as supposed? And she said, not really, but she just got tired of it. So this is too bad. Giving up too early is not good for business. Every business needs time to grow. You want to trust the process. Quitting too early is a big mistake. Many quit early because they don't see results. But success in content creation comes from being consistent and patient. And also discipline, doing the needful, doing what you're supposed to do, creating that content, showing up. So keep showing up even when it feels slow. As someone who wants to build an online business, I want to remind you, you may not see results immediately, but trust your consistency will eventually pay off. Believe I know what I'm talking about. I was there, and each time I felt discouraged, I always encouraged myself that no matter what I wanted to do. So if you are sure it's what you want to do not give up. Keep at it. Keep posting. Keep showing up. And before you know it, your consistency will pay off. If you are starting your content creation journey, avoid these mistakes and stay consistent. I want you to comment growth if you are committed to your growth journey. And please don't forget to like this video. Comment on it. I want to collaborate with you. And also share it so that every newbie, as far as content or creation is concerned, or building an online business is concerned, will be encouraged. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel. Let's grow together. Let's see how we can improve our online business. Remember, I'm your sister in faith and in purpose. See you in my next video. Bye.